Hey YouTube, if you haven't already, check out my unboxing of my new Samsung Z Fold 6. Let's get into the reason for this video. Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Finally got it. Yes, I have the Apple Watch Ultra. I'm going to check this bad boy out and see how it looks. Take a look at the back. Zip. Zip. Very easy to do. Flip her over. One last look. Let's take a look at the sides here. 47mm LTE Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. A box inside of a box. Where's that ideal? All right, as you can see, I got the black titanium version. Let's take this bad boy out. See what's underneath here. And it has the orange band. What else is in here? Nothing else is in the box. Set that to the side for now. Let's take a look at what we have in here. Let's see. Look at that. That feels nice. Ooh, that feels just like my Alpine Loop. Or not Alpine Loop. Ocean Loop. Or Ocean Band. Feels just like the Ocean Band. And that is thick. Yeah, you can see it's the same thickness, or maybe just a hair thicker than the, what do you call that band? It's a solo loop. What is it, the threaded solo loop? I don't think that's the right term, but you know what I mean. All right, let's take a look. The black Samsung, it says Samsung right on the clip. Nice, throw that to the side. Flip this bad boy over. I guess you just peel this whole thing off, huh? Yeah. So that whole thing just peels. Zip and zip. All right. Let's take a look at what we got here. It's supposed to come out easier than that, Samsung. Make these unboxings difficult. Here we go. Now let's pretend that didn't happen. Oh my God, look at that. Dude, that is a beast. Wow, that is solid. That is freaking solid. Look at that compared to the open activity. Look at that compared to the Watch Ultra. It's definitely larger. It's definitely way thicker. Like right before the bezel, so it's probably the bezel's what makes it thicker than the Apple Watch Ultra, it looks like. But wow, look at this thing. Have your microphones, have your speaker, there's your mics, there's your three buttons, touch bezel of course, all your sensors on the back. That thing is beautiful, wow. Put that to the side, the right way. Take a look at what else comes in the box real quick. Instructions over there. Oh, the other side. Let's shut this back up real fast. Open it from this side. Here we go. See what kind of charger's in this bad boy. Oh, just a normal old USB-C to puck. I guess you call that the puck, wireless charging puck. All right, nice, nice. One thing I do want to do is, say that 3 times fast. Do want to do. All right, let's see. So these are supposed to be super simple to go in. Should just push it in, is what they tell me. Oh, wow. Super simple to go in. And the other side. Yep, look at that, super simple. Take it out, you should just hit that button. Oh wow, Samsung got one on Apple with that. Nice. All right, well this thing is beautiful, I will say. I'm excited about going back to Android. Apple, you were fun while it lasted, but that Z Fold 6 just turned me out. So there you guys go. Let's power this bad boy up. All right, if I press the right button, it may power up. There we go. So these things get super bright. The phone gets super bright. Samsung has really came out swinging this time with this Apple Watch Ultra and the Z Fold 6. They talk about the Z Fold 6 only being 1 millimeter wider on the front, but God, it looks so much wider than the 5 and 4. It's crazy. But there you go. It is starting. That's my quick review or quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Like and subscribe. Just takes a second.